Hello everyone, this is Manisha Panda from Sambalpur, Odisha. I welcome you all again in my YouTube channel, that is Manisha's Magical Biology. Today we are going to discuss the useful aspects of microorganisms of class 8 science. Yes, today I am going to discuss the topic of class 8 science. What are the useful aspects of microorganisms? Let us start the discussion. First of all, microorganisms are of various use. There are various use of microorganisms. They are used in the preparation of curd, breads and cakes. They are used in the preparation of curds, breads and cake. They are also used in the cleaning up of the environment. First one, they are used in the preparation of curd, breads and cakes. They are used in the preparation of curds, breads and cake. They are also used in the cleaning up of the environment. For example, the organic wastes. Like the vegetable peels, the remains of animals, the faces, etc. are broken down into harmless and usable substances by the bacteria. The organic matter like the vegetable peels, the remains of animals and the faces are broken down into harmless and usable substances by the bacteria. From the beginning, once again I am repeating. They are used in the preparation of curd, breads and cakes. They are also used in the cleaning up of the environment. For example, the organic waste like the vegetable peels, the remains of animals and faces, etc. are broken down into harmless and usable substances by the bacteria. Okay. Bacteria are also used in the preparation of medicines. In agriculture, the bacteria increase the fertility of the soil. By fixing nitrogen. In agriculture, they increase the fertility of soil by fixing nitrogen. The bacteria increase the fertility of soil by increasing nitrogen. Okay. So once again, from the beginning I'm repeating. It's very easy, बहुत easy है. Yes. There are various uses of microorganisms. They are used in the preparation of curd, breads and cakes. They are also used in the cleaning up of the environment. For example, the organic waste like vegetable peels, the remains of animals and faces, etc. are broken down into harmless and usable substances by the bacteria. The bacteria are also used in the preparation of the medicines. And in agriculture, the bacteria also increase the fertility of soil. By fixing nitrogen. Okay. So this finishes the general use of microorganisms. Coming to the specific use. Where are they present? वो कहाँ पर रहते हैं and what do they do? Yes. What is the use of microorganisms in making the cakes, pastries and bakeries? What is the use of microorganisms in bakery industry? Okay, before discussing the bakery industry, I would like to their use in production of the traditional products like curd. Yes, I would like to discuss about their involvement, their role in production of curd and their role in the baking industry. Yes, the role of microorganisms in making of curd and their role in baking industry. Yes, what is their use? What do they do? Curd contains many microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus. Curd contains many microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. Of these, the bacterium, what is the name of the bacterium? Lactobacillus. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. Curd contains many microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. Formation of curd. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of curd. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of curd. Okay. So curd contains many microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of curd. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of the curd. Okay. What else? Bacteria are also involved in making cheese, pickles and many other food items. Bacteria are also involved in making cheese, pickles and many other food items. So bacteria are also involved in making the cheese, pickles and many other food items. So once again I'm repeating, curd also contains many microorganisms. Curd also contains many microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus, what it does, promotes the formation of milk. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of milk. It multiplies in the milk. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of curd. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of curd. Okay. Then bacteria, besides the formation of the curd, what do they do? What do the bacteria do? Bacteria are also involved. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. Okay. So once again, up to this I'm repeating from the very beginning. Once again, microorganisms have various uses. There are various uses of microorganisms. There are various uses of microorganisms. They are used in the preparation of curd, breads and cakes. There are various uses of microorganisms. They are used in the preparation of curds, breads and cake. They are also used in the cleaning up of the environment. They are also used in the cleaning up of the environment. For example, the organic matter, for example, like vegetable peels, remains of animals' faces, etc., are also broken down into harmless and usable substances by the bacteria. Are broken down into harmless and usable substances by the bacteria. Okay. What else? Bacteria are also used in the preparation of medicine. Bacteria are also used in the preparation of medicines as well. Bacteria, what do they do in agriculture? What do they do? What do the bacteria do in agriculture? In agriculture, the bacteria, they increase the fertility of the soil. Bacteria increase the fertility of the soil by fixing nitrogen. The bacteria increase the fertility of soil by fixing nitrogen. In agriculture, bacteria increase the fertility of soil by fixing nitrogen. Okay. So bacteria are used in the preparation of medicines. In agriculture, the bacteria increase the fertility of soil by fixing nitrogen. Okay, what is the role of microorganisms in making curd and what is their role in the baking industry? We have already discussed their role in making curd. Curd also contains many microorganisms. Okay, what else? Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. Okay. It multiplies in the milk. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of the curd. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of the curd. Curd contains many microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. On these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of curd. It multiplies in the milk and leads to the formation of the curd. Bacteria are also involved in making cheese, pickles and many other food items. Bacteria are also involved in making the cheese, pickles and many other food items. Okay, so this was all about the uses of bacteria in different fields and their role in formation of curd. Now, what is the role of bacteria? Or you can say not bacteria, the use of microorganisms in baking industry. Yes, what is the use of microorganisms in baking industry? Yeast, must have heard the name yeast. Yeast, it is a fungus. Yeast is a fungus, and remember, it is an exceptional unicellular fungus. Yeast is an exceptional unicellular fungus. Yeast reproduces rapidly. And what it does? Leads to the formation of the carbon dioxide during respiration. Yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubbles come out. Bubbles fill the dough. and increase the volume. Bubbles which come out fill the dough and increase the volume, and this is the basis. This use of the yeast in the baking industry is used for making the cakes, pastries, and biscuits. This is the basis of the use of the yeast. This forms the basis of the use of the yeast in the baking industry. The bubbles which come out, they fill the dough and increase their volume. Bubbles which come out, they fill the dough and increase the volume, and this is the basis of the use of the yeast in the baking industry. This is the basis of the use of the yeast in the baking industry. This is the basis of the use of the yeast in the baking industry that leads to the formation of the cakes, pastries, and biscuits. Okay, so what is that yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Gases, bubbles of the gases which fill the dough and increase their volume. Bubbles of the gas fill the dough and increase their volume. This is the basis of the use of the yeast in the baking industry. This is the basis of the use of the yeast in the baking industry that leads to the formation of cakes, pastries, and biscuits. Okay, so once again repeating, yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubbles of the gas fill the dough and increase their volume. Bubbles of the gas fill the dough and increase their volume. This is the basis of the use of the yeast in the baking industry. This is the basis of the use of the yeast in the baking industry, which leads to the formation of the cakes, pastries, and biscuits. So this finishes today's content. This finishes the content of today. In another video, I would be discussing about the further uses of microorganisms, which are of great use. A very, very interesting chapter it is. Very, very easy chapter it is. Very interesting chapter. Get it done, students. पूरा कर लीजिए, पूरा एक एक लाइन कर लीजिए, आपका रेडी हो जाएगा. So be ready for that. Have a good day ahead.
Hello, we are microorganisms.
Hello everyone, this is Manisha's Magical Biology. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, please press the bell icon, share it with everyone, and please share your views by commenting in the comment section. Thank you so much.